Good morning, I am Bark. My name is Bronte.
I am Ella.
Please welcome Mr. Thompson.
Good morning, everyone. We had a bit of technical trouble this morning. Hopefully on Monday morning there's no technical trouble and you'll all be back here at school. We won't be out here for lines, you'll be in classrooms for lines for a while because we're not going to have any of our assemblies and big gatherings of all of us sitting together. But while that's happening, we will still be able to stream our assemblies to you. So in the morning on Monday, when you're all here, we will be singing the national anthem and we'll pop our flags up. So we'll get the girls to put the flags up in the background right now, and you're going to get a little video as well sent to you with all of our school leaders welcoming you back to school. So that should be sent to you tomorrow sometime, and you can have a look at that across the weekend and get yourself ready to be back at school proper on Monday morning. All the teachers are really excited and looking forward to seeing you in the classrooms. So we'll see you on Monday, guys. Bye.
I'm Bronte.
I'm Ella.
We hope you have a wonderful day, Amber.